Welcome to our room. Okay, this is a wine tasting area where you can enjoy a drink with your friends before you enter the cinema room, as well as a really fun games room where you can have some fun with your mates, as well as the kids to come down here. This is really cool.
I like this.
That artwork's nice.
Laminate's profile is beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, it's so nice.
It doesn't have Tanya and Vito written all over it.
It doesn't?
No.
What are you talking about?
It doesn't.
Tanya,
No,
Vito,
no,
Tanya,
no, it's
Vito,
not. No, it's
Tanya.
not.
Yes, it, oh my God,
No.
mate, you're like...
Like, if you're going to put in a pink kitchen, this is where you put in a pink kitchen.
No, come
Not
on,
a black
stop
kitchen.
talking, let's go.
Oh wow, okay.
I think this is much more deserving of 6.5.
Yeah, that's crap.
This is like a nice space to hang out in, you know?
It's really cool. Imagine having like a party down here.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't get the 6.5.
No. I don't understand 6.5 at all.
We created this space because our house is a fun house. So we hope that you enjoy it as much as we do building it.
Good.